Hey, beautiful soul, when you feel gratitude, often you are looking at a difficulty that you have overcome, but there is still some of that struggle vibration present. The state of appreciation is seeing whatever you are looking at through the eyes of Source. You could walk down a crowded street with all kinds of things that a lot of other people would find reason to criticize or worry about. And you would not have access to them because your vibration of appreciation is speaking out for you things of a different vibrational nature. It is not your role to make others happy. It is your role to keep yourself in balance. When you pay attention to how you feel and practice self-empowering thoughts that align with you, who you really are, you will offer an example of thriving that will be of tremendous value to those who have the benefit of observing you. You cannot get poor enough to help poor people, thrive or sick enough to help sick people get well. You only ever uplift from your position of strength and clarity and alignment. Type yes if you believe in God.